It's that time again when Zim Dance artists come abroad for the UK Summer Fiesta 2016.
The Coco.
Up like the sky.
Definitely.
Same time.
HKD Bass. What am I say again? No? Digital on
Digital
promotion.
Yeah, big up
Yeah,
them
man.
Carl and Luton and all of them. So
Yeah, select
this
that.
coming Friday, 29th April, Luton, right?
Luton for
And the
sure.
next day, Wolverhampton.
Yeah,
So
30.
30. And last show in Manchester.
Yeah,
All
bring the
them center. Yeah, man.
family
Bring
thing
them
and thing.
family
and
thing and
thing
thing. So make
there.
sure I say don't miss it. Every time all over. Every time it ends, tell your friends who tell them friends. Not
Play
miss
that
it.
shit, them shit, Luton boy, get it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
The Coco.
Let's
The
get it.
Coco. The Coco.
Lafino Rwanza, City
Tinongo Zraya.
Jaga Uma,
Tinongo Yamahaya.
Tesama prayers,
Kuna Messiah.
Tesanga
Ngati mbese kwaya. Maya. Maya.
Antivita
Kundigana. Maya.
Conceptions,
Maya. Maya. Chatinongo damugana.
Let me tell you something. Choda kuona geto
Reserve driver. Java.
Lusaka taka zitirima survive.
Magava.
Lochaka mari kunge strive.
Na Chiama.
Non-stop to the life.
Zvinoda kushinga mukushanda munhu wauzive paunopinda kana wada kuwina wotobudadikita
Tinozorora munguva zuva
tinokita
Chakanakira kudira ndikita tinoshanda kuzika kwakatiki kyakuchanda
Atimira
kuchanda
mwiri watikita
Sunday birthday.
Ikoko Ikoko
One
balance.
promotion.
Make sure you there.
A big
Don't
movie
miss
in
it.
that.
So we
Sometimes
are
the
saying
whole program, the Kangaling in the whole family, Zim Dance, to the world. Come on.
Kaboom!